Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we'll write a program that finds the number of common elements between two arrays. This is a great way to practice working with loops and comparisons in JavaScript. Let's jump right in. The task is simple. Given two arrays, we want to count how many elements appear in both. For example, if both arrays are 1, 2, 3, and 4, then all 4 elements match, so the output is 4. However, if one array has different elements, only the matching ones are counted. Here's the JavaScript code. We first use two nested loops to compare every element in the first array with every element in the second array. Then, if the elements match, we increment a counter called result. Once the loops are done, we return the counter as their output. The test cases at the bottom demonstrate how this works. Let's break this down step by step. We initialize a counter result to keep track of matching elements. For each element in the first array, we compare it with all the elements in the second array using a nested loop. If a match is found, we increment the counter. Finally, we return the count of matches. Let's analyze these examples. For identical arrays, all the elements match, so the output is 4. In the second example, only the first 3 elements match, so the result is 3. Finally, in the last example, there are no matches, so the output is 0. This ESX version uses modern syntax, including arrow functions and const. The logic remains the same, but the code is cleaner and more concise. To summarize, we use nested loops to compare two arrays and count the common elements. This approach is simple and effective for smaller datasets. In larger datasets, we could use more advanced techniques for optimization. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the